How to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. By default, WhatsApp compresses photos when you upload them. This saves storage space but sacrifices sharpness. That perfect profile pic you picked downloaded to a blurry mess. So to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality, first, start with a high-resolution photo. The higher the quality, the better your profile pic will look. Open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Find any chat, doesn't matter who. Tap the attachment icon, paperclip, and choose Gallery. Select your photo. Before sending, look closely at the editing window. Above the photo, you'll see a small HD option. Might be faint. Tap it. Then choose HD quality to activate HD sending and send the photo to yourself. In the chat, tap on the photo, then tap the three dots on the photo and choose Save. This high-quality version is now in your phone's gallery. Now head to your WhatsApp profile. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Tap your profile picture or name. Tap the camera icon near your profile picture. Select Callery from the pop-up. Select the photo you just saved in HD quality. Crop the photo to your liking and tap Done. Your profile picture should now be crisp and clear. That's it! With this trick, you can showcase your profile picture in all its glory. Remember, the higher the quality of the original photo, the better your profile pic will look. And this is how to set WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality. If you have any questions about setting WhatsApp profile picture without losing quality, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.